Hi, good evening. Just very quickly before one of the last summer evenings passes and we're losing the light, I will obviously have to move inside. I know it'll be better for sound, but I'm just gonna be sitting outside. It's so nice. I miss summer already, even though this is the last days of summer. Let's just quickly start. Someone I already don't know. Is it Nyakoga? I have no idea.
Nyakui.
Nyakoi. That was close, but not quite. I know we had that yesterday. I still don't really have it. It's Mlekna?
Mlekna.
That is close enough. I'll take that. It wasn't quite correct, but Bravia? Bravina? One of them.
Pravilen.
Pravilen. Raspberry is something like Manila. They have loads of raspberries in the Philippines.
Malinata.
Malinata. We have whey that's nashi? Nachin. Stimida, that's important for me. Imale mesovitova. Honey, I had to head this morning because I was in the shop and I realized I couldn't find it forever, and I realized I never actually looked up what the word is, because normally you just get it from the market and you just whatever, you obviously recognize it, but it's simple, it's just met. It's like peach, very important word for me because peach season is praskova. And I have one, Imam Edin. Imam Edin. I'm gonna have to pass to the left because it's Imam. Cauliflower is a tricky one. I know it kind of sounds a little bit like it, but also there's like a little bit Garfield. It's like Carfiolet. Oh, that took me a very long time to get. Carfiolet. Imali miso. Yeah, you would like to, wouldn't you like to know? Vtova. Imali meso vtova. He wants meat in it. Nachin? Praskova. Manilata.
Malinata.
I don't actually know why she says Emalinata. Where's the E? Malinata.
Female cow.
That's a funny one. It's pen. Like chemicals in the pen, I guess. Honey. What did we say? Nikoi?
Nyakui.
Nyakui. Correct. I know we just had that. Was it something with Bravi? I feel like I was closer to it earlier than I am now. I'm gonna go with Bravia.
Pravilen.
Pravilen. It's like cute brav. Brav in German is like to be good, to be well behaved. Brav, Pravilen. Imam Edin. Imali meso vtova. Right is like the enemy of left, and I hate them both. Odjasno, which now I forgot again what left is. Because it's Pravilen. And they is dead. Nyakoi. And go out as we had yesterday. Islyasa. Still don't really know it. Sacco is a jacket. We actually use that in German. I don't know whether we use it in English as well. It's like a fancy jacket. Normally. Wypriki. Despite us not having had breakfast in the morning, we're in a good form because we're intermittent fasting. So despite not having had wypriki, stay still. Not a dog. Nikoi? Nyakoi. Pravina?
Pravilen.
Go out. Objasno?
Odjasno.
Odjasno. I'll take it. I'm so tired of this. It's like kartija, like something with card. Kartija?
Хартия.
Kartija?
Може ли да седна тук?
May I sit here? Can I sit here, please? Може ли да седна тук? Can I sit here?
Определено.
Opredelleno. Definitely. Because Dylan is definitely singing in the opera. Brown, I added. It's like coffee brown.
Кафяво.
Kaffjavo. Electrichestvo.
Електричество. Мед.
Отговарям.
Отговарям.
I actually don't really know.
Отговоря.
I just recognize it. And that is,
Предвид.
I foresee white bread. I know, you're probably shouting it at me because I've had it so many times already now. It is Nyakoi?
Някой.
I'll take it. Pravilen?
Правилен.
White bread. Predvit.
Предвид.
Med.
Мед.
Coffee, something with coffee. Kaffealet? Kaffealo?
Кафяво.
Kaffjavo. Why is everything with vo? Kaffjavo.
Електричество.
Electricity. I knew you would. Okay, I'm going to go with odgovoriam.
Отговарям. Отговоря.
Very close. Odgovariam. Close, but no. What? Okay. Trucha? Vietre?
Духа вятър.
Close. Ducha vietre. Vietre reminds me a bit of weather. Vietre. And for ducha, I have nothing.
Пладне.
That's noon. And again, that only works in German. Du bist ganz schön platt, ne? It's like if you're pretty tired, aren't you?
През вечерта.
Presvečerta is kind of during the evening, večer. So in the evening.
Следобедът.
Следобедът is. Sorry. Okay, that was Dora. It's already. Dora released her answer. I think I would have known that. It's slide into bed in the afternoon for my afternoon nap. Sledobedet. Yeah, I think I would have known that. Okay, correct. Pravilen.
Правилен.
I apply at Govarium.
Отговарям. Отговоря.
Especially is the one with opera and Dylan. Opera Dylan. No, especially, of course, the bed. Also benno.
Особено.
Then plus ducha vietre.
Духа вятър.
And някой.
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 Обяснявам.
Obisnjavam, I explain. Obi is it's like is it a DIY shop in Germany, or is it just furniture? It's one of them. And that is like the man in the little symbols, the guy who explains how the tool works in Obis and then Yavam. I don't know.
Прозорците са затворени.
I hate that one. I know now, I've had it about 1,000,000 times. It's the windows are closed, but don't ask me to do it the other way around. Prozorcite zatvoreni. Especially is the one with it's with Bene. Ozu? Is it Ozu? Bene?
Особено.
Kaffjavo.
Кафяво.
Odgovariam.
Отговарям. Отговоря.
Духа вето.
Дух и вятър. Някой.
Somebody? Someone? Someone?
Твой.
Troy. There? Your.
Правилен.
Ravilan is correct.
Гребен.
Greben is a comb. I know this is new to you, but I've had it this morning already. And again, my connection is with German, and we have Graben, which is like dig, and I don't really understand why I would think. No, there is no connection. Somehow I just know this one. It's a comb. Cool.
Убие.
Curious is
Любопитен.
Lubiten. Attention. Внимание.
Внимание. Бивам.
Choices. Board now. Кафяво.
Кафяво. Глупак.
That's actually funny. I added that while you weren't watching, and I got that pretty quickly. It is a pack of glue for a fool. So I don't know what we told in the neighbor again. I'm sitting in the field like a fool. Yeah, this actually means fool. It's a pack of glue is my connection, and I make a fool out of you with that somehow. Choices is board now.
Избор. Любопитен.
Curious. Did I have a connection for that? Yubo, it's kind of like favorite kind of thing. Peten for Pete. I had a friend called Peter. He was Curious Pete. Divam.
Бивам. Убие.
Kill. Внимание.
Внимание.
I had that this morning. It was an interesting word. It was
Общо.
Obsto.
Тъй.
Day. It's like since. Since it's evening now, should we have some day? 1,000. Ooh, that's not a nice. I mean, I struggle with that word too. Oh, my owl is out. Oh, I wish I could show you. I mean, maybe we'll wrap that up in a minute, and maybe he'll still be there, and it'll be there after. With the owl. But where is 1,000? Oh, it's gone now. 1,000. What's owl actually? Let's add that. Sova. Cute. 1,000. I don't know.
Хиляда.
Are we filming even? What is it? Hiljada. Okay, I'm gonna finish off with one more. I forgot this one. He has a limp. That's something he has a limp. Yeah, but you know my thingy's over here. Come here. I forgot.
Той куца.
Twoi kutza. Oh, should I? Okay, we could do this quickly. Gelada. Obsto.
Общо.
Soba. Is that a new one?
Соба.
Cafiola.
Кафяво.
Javier.
Хавия.
We'll talk about it another time. Non is nisto.
Никой.
Nikoi.
Махна.
Machna. I don't know either. Maybe take away. I need to go on a good and towel. It's like caviar.
Хавия.
Okay, let's go with obsti.
Общо.
Obstud. And I didn't don't get that. I don't know.
Хиляда.
Hiljada. I not just added this and I forgot already. It's a really nice word.
Соба.
Sova.
Кафяво.
Brown. Okay, let's end on brown. Because this one I know. Phew. Okay, thank you. And bye. He's gonna show you the dog.
Fajnie.
Hey, Schatz.